Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. We're going to try two new Kitkat flavors. Ito yung dark chocolate and yung white na chocolate Kitkat. So, hindi po ito sponsored guys, and these chocolates were given to me by my good friend na si Romeo. So, thank you so much, and I will try to taste it and review it for you. So, let's get started! So, first, try lang muna natin tong Kitkat Dark Chocolate. So, nakakita ako nito before nung pumunta kami sa Clark, Pampanga. Pero, hindi ako nag-purchase. So, ganito po yung size niya. Parang kasing laki ng hinlalaki ko. Parang katumba siya na isang cut ng Kitkat wafer. So, yan. Sa price, hindi ko alam kung magkano siya. Ayan. So, let's taste this. So, yung packaging niya, I think this is black. And may nakalagay na Kitkat. So, mga imported chocos siya. So, yun nga, pag sinabing dark chocolate, healthy siya. So, let's see. Harap. Mapait na onte. And as expected of a dark chocolate, yun yung lasa niya. So, bite size, pwede nyo siyang kainin in one bite. Pero ako dinalawa ko. Ang sarap. If I will rate this from 1 to 5, 5 being the highest. Sige, I will give this a 5. Wala naman ako masyadong problem sa kanya. So, masarap yung wafer niya. Okay. So, next, we'll try this Kitkat Crisp Wafers N Cream. Para siyang cookies and cream. So, ngayon ko lang to na discover. Picture nga natin. Ayan. So, ganun din. Bite size. Open this. So, easy to open naman siya. And, ganito pa itsura niya. So, first time ko naka-encounter ng white na Kitkat. Let's see. Ayan. Yun yung itsura niya, guys. So, let's eat this. I'm excited. Sa amoy. Wala masyadong amoy. Amoy white chocolate. I really love yung mga cookies and cream eh. So, kung mga lover kayo ng cookies and cream, you will enjoy this. Ganun din naman sa dark chocolate. If you are a fan of dark chocolate, you will enjoy this, guys. Sarap them. Ito medyo matamis compared sa other one. Talagang mararamdaman mo yung tamis sa lalamunan mo. So, if you're going to eat this, yun, might as well drink lots of water na rin para hindi magkaroon ng sore throat. So, ayun nga guys, if I will rate this from 1 to 5, sige, since I like cookies and cream naman, I will rate this 4.5 na lang. So, for me, ang winner today is ang ating Kitkat Dark Chocolate. So, there you have it, guys. Our two reviews of these two Kitkat chocolates. So, na-try nyo na ba to, guys? Let me know and comment down below. And which is your favorite Kitkat flavor? So, I think marami na rin silang flavors. Meron na rin matcha, yung original na chocolate lang, and then ito ang dalawa. And if may alam pa kayo, just let me know and comment down below. Okay guys, I hope you like this vid, and please share to your friends, your family, and salamat sa mga new subscribers. Keep the numbers coming. I really enjoy it, and I'm reading your comments and appreciate ko lahat yun. So thank you guys, and have a great day. See you on the next vlog.